The question talks about Hershey and Chase experiment. In Hershey and Chase experiment, this experiment said that DNA is the genetic material, not the protein. So this experiment concluded this. Now, how this experiment was conducted? So there were two mediums present, medium A and medium B. Medium A had phosphorus in it and medium B had sulfur. Now, on these medium plates, bacteriophages were grown. The bacteriophages were grown on each medium or on each plate. Now, when they were grown on each plate, in the phosphorus plate or in the medium A, the viruses, bacteriophages are nothing but a type of